Let's mosey on into the kitchen to gather your ingredients for the steak, which include 4 beef cube steaks, a cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. You'll also need 2 large eggs and a 1/4 cup of milk. And don't forget the vegetable oil for frying. First, combine the flour, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper in a shallow dish. Then, in another dish, whisk together the eggs and milk. Each steak should be dredged first in the flour mixture, then dipped into the egg mixture, and dredged again in the flour mixture. Ensure each steak is well coated. Next, it's time to fry the steaks. Heat about 1/2 inch of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, go ahead and add the steaks and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until golden brown and crispy. Remove the steaks to a paper towel-lined plate to drain. Now let's move on to the mushroom gravy. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, a small finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of beef broth, half a cup of heavy cream or milk, and salt and pepper to taste. In the same skillet, you will need to reduce the heat to medium and add the butter. Now add the mushrooms and onion, cooking until softened and browned. Stir in the garlic and cook for another minute. Sprinkle the flour over the mixture, stirring to combine, then gradually whisk in the beef broth and bring to a simmer. Stir in the heavy cream or milk and simmer until the gravy has thickened. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, a perfect southern chicken fried steak with mushroom gravy. Simply place a steak on each plate, spoon the gravy over the top, and garnish with fresh chopped parsley. So give it a try and enjoy the rich flavors of the South right in your kitchen. And remember, for more mouth-watering recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Magnolia Moon.